Hi guys, welcome back to new video. In this video I am going to tell you how to make the high quality Insta Reels. Firstly you need to download and open the app, Secure VPN, connect the VPN. Download the app link. You can get the link in my Telegram channel. Telegram channel link is in description. Select the video you want to make HD.
To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
You can see the changes. Now save the video and open a light motion. Before opening a light motion, import the CC, link in my description. Don't forget to like, share and to comment your opinion. Comment the topic on which you want next video. Thanks for watching.